Okay, two more key concepts to learn today. These are the last two key concepts. Alright, the first one is called union. What's the meaning of union? In English, union is an organization. Am I right? Okay, but in mathematics, it's similar. An organization is very big. Am I right? Okay, in mathematics, the union also represents everything that is involved in the set. Okay, take a look over here. What is the description? A union B. All the elements that is in A or B or both. Okay, what does this mean? Alright, few things. This is the symbol for union. So union is a big U. To make it easy, alright, since it involves everything that's inside set A and set B, I'll use the word everything or every element, or the bigger word will be all. Easy? Okay, quickly we look at one example. So basically it's all. Let's look at try it 40. So I'm going to continue. Part A. We need to list the elements A union D. What's the meaning of A union D? Just one?
A union D or C.
Just one.
Yeah, sorry, what was the question?
What is the meaning of C union D?
Union of two sets.
Right. So just one. If I want all the elements inside set C and D, what are the elements?
A, E, U,
A, E, U,
K, Y.
B, K, Y. Okay, notice E repeated both in set C and D. Are you going to write E twice? No, the same element you only write it once, even though it's repeated. Okay, that's the answer to part A. Let's take a look at part B. Proper subset. Is D a proper subset of C union D? Yes. Nosham say yes. Nosham, why? Remember the way I write my reasoning? Recall, D is a proper subset of C union D. Okay, what are the elements inside D? So I write down. E, K, Y are all inside D. All agree? E, K, Y, are they also inside C union D? Sorry, union cannot, it doesn't look like you, just union. Okay, these two good reasons seem sufficient, but there is one more that will make it even better. Remember, the proper subset, the number of elements must be less, right? The n thing, very good. The number of elements inside N, the number of elements inside D, and the number of elements inside C union D. For it to be a proper subset, it must be strictly less than. Okay, again, I write my reasoning in terms of mathematical notation. Can I describe in English? I may. I can just say E, K, and Y. I use another way to write. E, K, and Y are elements of D and C union D. The number of elements in D are less than the numbers of elements inside C union D. Okay, so for me, if I can, I will write it in mathematical notation. No need to write so many words. But if you're not confident of mathematical notation, it's okay. You can write in words. So long I understand English, I will give it to you. Okay?